Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 298. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're just missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. And for this column, we're also missing 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. That 4 makes this our 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 7. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this top row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 3, 5. And that 3 makes this our 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. Oh, this 1 makes this our 6, 1, 6. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.